Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie, and today, as you can see from the title down below, I am organising the whole space that you can see behind me. We have a table that is absolutely covered in everything. We have this chest of drawers here that is just full and completely unorganised, and just to the side here I have a new set of drawers. So everything from this and on this table is going to be going into those new drawers. Everything's getting organised today. I don't intend on decluttering today, but if I do come across something that I know needs checking out, then I will. But that's not the aim of today. Today I just want to get everything tidied, I just want to get everything put away, and I want to get the setup behind me sorted. So it has been around about 10-11 months since I sat down and filmed. A lot has happened in that time. I got married, just the whole world started opening back up again, life happened, and now I am ready to start doing this again. I've got loads of ideas of things that I want to do, loads of new launches at the minute that is so exciting. So let's just dive on into this whole table first, and then we'll move on to the drawers, because that's just going to be a whole thing. So this is basically what we're starting with. Over the last 10-11 months when I haven't been filming, I have just been sat here doing my makeup every single day, and it has just got completely out of hand, basically. Everything is everywhere. I have more of these pots that I've got over here in the back. I've got more of these that are currently in the bathroom because I have my makeup brushes in them and I've washed a load of them. I do have a load of them on here still that need to go back into those, but they're just drying in the bathroom at the minute. So I think what I'm going to do is start from this end. What you can barely see in shot here from this upwards is new in things. So like I've got a Kiko parcel here, going to do a Kiko video. I've got this that is from the Skin Trust Club, so I'm going to be testing my skin microbiome, if that sounds exciting to anyone. And then like there's just a load more boxes, so I'm just going to get all of these out of the way from this end. And then over in this back corner I have my collection of e.l.f. liquid lipsticks, and then some of them are in this. So I got this, I think, from Primark years and years ago. I have a few of my favourite lipsticks, a few of the Revolution Pro Hydra glosses, the new Revolution highlighter, a few mascaras. So I think for now I'm just going to keep my e.l.f. liquid glitters in here because I like to have them out. I do use them very, very regularly. So I'm going to take out all of the Revolution lip glosses and put those somewhere else for now, and keep all of my e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows in here. What I might do is just keep a few of my favourite lipsticks over on the other side. I'll put this Barry M liquid eyeshadow in there as well because it's sort of the same of the same, and then I'll put some of these in at this side. So then the table still looks awful, but all of this stuff is going to eventually go into the drawers that are going to live here. So I'll bring those over now. I'll show you through these drawers because everything is just chucked in. I've got the top one that started off life as primers and skincare, but now it is just like the man drawer of this room. The next one down is foundations and concealers and setting powders and setting sprays, but I forget what's even in here, like the things at the back, I don't know what's in there because it's just not organised at all. And I know that I have like favourites in here that I just can't even reach. Then the next one down is, I'm ashamed of this one. This one is bronzers, blushes and highlighters, and then at the back that you can't even really see, I have a few palettes that have like all bronzers or all blushes, things like that at the back, but I just tend to grab the things that are on the very top. And again, I have new things in here that I've never even tried. And then in the bottom, the tub at the front is all like brow pencils and liquid eyeliners, things like that, and then basically the rest of it is just eyeshadow palettes. And I know that underneath a load of these eyeshadow palettes I have some cream eyeshadows that I really, really enjoy, but I know that they're in there but I can't reach them because there's just stuff all over the top of them. So all of that is going to be coming out and going into my new drawers. Oh, that was hard work. New drawers. I don't really know what order I need these to be in yet. I think I want like one drawer for each thing. I want a drawer for like my hair care tools and things like that. I also have these boxes that I got from B&M so that I can try and organise the drawers a little bit better. So I'm just gonna try and organise this as best as I possibly can. I will scooch you over so that you can see into this drawer a bit better. So I think I will probably separate this into like lightweight and then more full coverage because that's how it makes sense in my head. So I will put my more natural finish into one of these tubs. And then, because it's currently winter and I am the palest that I will ever be, I'm going to put my more winter shades at the front and then the darker shades at the back, just so that I can grab the ones that I can wear at the minute, but the others are still there. So that all feels a lot more user-friendly. That feels like I know if I want a lighter coverage I can just grab for these ones, if I want a more full coverage I can just grab for these ones, and then these are like summer ones, so I don't really need to bother with those at the minute. So that all feels good to me. The next one down I will put concealer, powder, like setting sprays. I don't have a lot of setting sprays but I will put them in here. So it is my goal to get all of this more organised. This is just far too many blushes, bronzers and highlighters, but I do think I actually enjoy all of these, so I am going to try and put them into some sort of order. So I think what the plan is, I'll do bronzers, blushes and then palettes, because I don't want these drawers to like come out too far. I won't be able to reach the things at the back anyway, so I think that that will just work a bit better for what I have and like the best use of the space. So put my bronzers in this side. I think I will do highlighters and then maybe have like a backup of like lipsticks at the back or at the side. I think that that's what I need. I feel like I need a space that's away for lipsticks that aren't like my current season lipsticks, but I'll start with the highlighters. So that's another tub empty that can go onto there. I think I will also put like liquid eyeshadows and things into their own tub. So that's all of my like pencil and liquid eyeliners. I think it would maybe be beneficial to separate them into liquid eyeliners and then like pencils. But that's a job for another day. So I'll do liners there, liners and brow products. I do have more brow products over on my table that I will put into here. So then I think in this section I can put like liquid and cream eyeshadow products because I've got quite a few. I have more palettes than just these, but these are the ones that I generally reach for most. I will put like neutral ones in this drawer and then like colourful ones in the next one down. So then I'm left with 2 drawers down at the bottom. So I think I'll have one for hairdryer, straightener, curler, you know, hair tools, and also like heat protectant, hair oil, things like that. And then I'll have one for like camera equipment, batteries, wires, etc. So I also completely forgot that I had these acrylic drawers. I got these from B&M at the same time as I got all of these like plastic drawer things. By the way, these are like squidgy plastic, so you can like squeeze them into the size drawer that you need. Fantastic. So I think in this I'm going to put every day what I genuinely use every single day. I don't need a tape measure on my table, do I? So this is the overview of how everything is looking now. Obviously my telephone won't live there. And then the drawers down at that side. And everything has a place and everything is in its place. So I have my face brushes, my eye brushes, red and nude lipsticks. All of my like everyday basic things are in there. I've put brushes and hair bubbles up on this bit. I've got perfumes, liquid eyeshadows, and then these are just more of like everyday things. Some more perfumes and then lipsticks over at that side. And then all of the drawers are obviously all organised and lovely. So this is the finished filming setup. And I realised that all of that hard work that I put into organising those drawers behind me, you can't even see because I'm sat in front of them. But never mind, I know that they're there. What I might do is move these things up onto the top of there because I didn't realise that you would be able to see on the top of there. I think that might look quite nice. So it might look different by my next video, but this is, generally speaking, what everything's going to look like. I also have a new microphone, so hopefully the sound quality is a little bit better than my old videos, but generally speaking this is exactly how everything is going to look. I hope that you like it. If you want to see more from me, then please do like this video and subscribe down below. But until next time, it's so good to be back, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!